Continuing on day 9, this video will work problems 60 through 62. 60 says to identify all intercepts of the function f of x equals 1 over x minus 5. Recall that x-intercepts happen when the numerator is 0 but the denominator is something other than 0, and y-intercepts always happen when we evaluate the function at x equals 0. So here we set the numerator equals 0. 1 is never equal to 0, so there can be no x-intercept. And the y-intercept of the function f of 0 is 1 over 0 minus 5, or 1 over negative 5, which is negative 1/5. They write it as a point, so since it's a y value, it's the point 0, negative 1/5. And that's the y-intercept. And that's answer A. Number 61 tells us to match the graph with its exponential function. They give us this graph, it looks like this, and then they give us these 4 answer choices. You can graph these in your calculator, but you'll see that C is going to be the answer here. We'll go to y equals, and we graph 5 raised to the x plus 4, and we tell it to graph, and you will see that same graph. So answer C is your answer. And 62 tells us to find the graph of the function y equals log base 4 of x. They give us several graphs to choose from. Let's go and graph that on the calculator. Let's clear this. We want to get to the log base. We go to math, scroll down to where we see log base, hit enter, and so we're going to put log base 4 of x and tell it to graph. And when we look at the graphs that they present to us, this graph goes through the x-axis at 1. There's 2 graphs shaped like this. One goes through the x-axis at 1, the other at 2. This is answer D. And that's day 9.